to the conference.
We decided to visit this conference because we felt it was a good opportunity to expound on what Pharma can do for companies in the US. We thought this would be a great opportunity, not only to learn a little bit about the high potency marketplace, but to interact with people that were attending and see if we could expand our footprint.
I remember many people from last year, so I'm hoping to find out what they've been doing in the last year.
Looking forward to meet a lot of customers, clients, and maybe new customers as well.
I have to say it fully satisfied the expectation, especially the level of the talk.
So the deepness of information and also of academia science that was presented was quite good.
It was very interesting because obviously it is a good continuation of last year, so it was very good that there was no repetition. This is of great interest for the new participant, but also for people that were already taking part to this event last year, so it gives a sort of continuity.
I really enjoyed the mixture of topics that were presented, coming from containment, process, cleaning, sustainability.
It's really helpful for all the science, all the engineers from the pharma industry.
We have clearer guidance on what has happened, and nobody discusses anymore the need for containment. It's rather how to do it and how to do it best. And I think that's the sign for implementation.
I think it has been really, really insightful, and I really enjoyed the experience here. It has been an excellent event.
If you just come here and want to sit in a seat and listen, you'll learn a lot of things, but the real value is going out and speaking to people from different walks of life.
I think that the way the networking was organized during your specific event was done in a great way, because we always have the opportunity to have a chat, but also to talk about business, personal things.
I made some new contacts which certainly will be useful for the future.
A lot of discussion, a lot of interaction took place, especially yesterday after the panel discussion, so it's a good way to kickstart discussions later on. So it was good, and a good networking opportunity as well.
We had some exchange with the company representatives, but also had very good exchange with other colleagues who work in similar positions as I am.
We came here thinking that we had to talk with some people, and then we discovered that actually there were other people that we didn't know that were interested in what we do and the services that we can offer. So it's always a good thing when this happens.
Food was great, a bit too much. Enjoyed being part of this conference.
It's a very good place to have the conference here in Berlin.
Here, the parking, it's a great venue. The city center, close to the Alexanderplatz, not so far away from the Brandenburger Tor.
And I think that makes also the conference quite attractive for the audience.
Stay well, stay safe, and see you all next year. Thank you very much.
This has been my third time attending to Amistad event. So I would recommend everybody to attend this event, because it has been a great occasion to increase your knowledge on this very interesting topic.
We will be very happy to be here again.
Worth being here.
I would describe the event in one word.
Energizing.
Great.
Excellent.